Today we are here to discuss on the topic which have we done our research. Our topic is gas leakage detection and control system. Our team member name include Mr. Sanjay Kumar. He's our assistant professor, and student name include Dipanshu, Abhishek, and Durgesh Kumar. My name is Abhishek. Here is the content of our PPT: abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, result, conclusion, and reference. Here is the abstract of our PPT. Like we do some study on some research paper for gas tragedy prevention. After that, implementation of them into working model. And last, prevent gas tragedy by using this model. Here is our research paper. Like as you all know that LPG gas user connection also increasing day by day. Like people also beneficiaries number also increasing day by day. People start using LPG gas, and it's also becoming a major problem and root cause of house fire. So by making it even more difficult to detect any leakage by a person, so by engaging in leakage detection and prevention, we will be able to properly deal with the fire before it gets out of control. And we also help in to avoid injuries, property damage, and also loss of life. Here is the literature review. Here is the list of some research paper which we have studied before going to our work. So we take help from them. After that, we propose our work in a proper manner. And the next part, further part of this PPT will be explained by Dipanshu.
So this is the methodology that we use to make this project work. In the initial stage, we decided to use a microcontroller, which is Arduino Uno, which is a 14-pin microcontroller. And after that, there is an MQ2 sensor, which is an input device, which is used to detect the gas in the atmosphere if there any flammable gas in the atmosphere. And for displaying purpose, there is a LCD display, which is 16 to 2 display, which shows the message on the screen if there is a gas leakage in the atmosphere. And for controlling purpose, there is a stepper motor, which motor driver used to close the supply of the cylinder valve to stop the flow of LPG gas. And there is a relay module, which used to shut down the power of household for preventing the gas tragedy. So this is our block diagram. There are 6 components in the block diagram. First is gas sensor, which is connected to the Arduino Uno, and the rest of the component of project will be connected to the Arduino Uno. So this is our hardware list. First one is MQ2 sensor, second is LCD display, third is Arduino Uno, fourth is buzzer, fifth is stepper motor, and sixth is relay module. So this is our simulation on IDE. In the first stage, as you can see, there is a safe message on the display, which is before the gas leakage. And the second figure is shows the evacuate message after the gas is being leaked in the atmosphere. So this is result. In the first figure, as you can see, there is a reading 26, which is lower than the threshold value of the project, that is 35. In the second figure, as you can see, there are value is 56, which is cross value after the threshold value, that is 35. And there is some stats. This is the graph between threshold and the versus sensor. And this is the reading of followed by this graph. So the rest part of PPT will be explained by Durgesh Kumar.
As we all know, gas leakage leads to severe accidents resulting in huge financial losses, injuries, and even deaths. But the main point is that even after so much technical advancements in various fields, we have neglected this particular domain, despite its grave consequence and importance. As the data indicates, nearly one-sixth of all the deaths from accidental fires between 2010 and 14 was due to exploding cooking gas cylinders. There have some research done on this topic, but all of them emphasize on the detection but not the prevention or control. Our research work is done with only one idea in mind, that is the prevention and control of the leakage after detection. Because if you detect the gas and can't stop the leakage, then the system is useless. That's why we have made and developed regulator control arm to properly stop the leakage after detection without interfering with the original structure of the regulator. And so we think this research work of ours will be helpful in saving some of the previous precious life and money. And here are some of the references that we have used for our research work. Thank you, everyone.